Good morning. Brittany with Given Chances Farms, and just out here feeding the cows and stuff, and the baby Rosie, he's up here, and Tony, if you can see clear over there, he's over there gonna spread some hay for where we moved the lean-to from yesterday. You gonna come up and see me? Well, come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Yeah, Lizzie, come here. Say hi to all our viewers. Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. Mama's trying to moo at her. Yeah. She's trying to moo at her. I can come up to her. I just love little babies running. Here she goes again. And her little legs. Pretty amazing how calves, not even, yeah, she's not even quite a day old, already running. And there she goes again. I'll probably wear her out and she'll go lay down and go to sleep. Tony's gonna try and see if he can come and get her to come up to her, or to him, I should say. Mama's keeping an eye on him right there. Show her some lovin's. Hmm? Here comes Big Boy behind me. She's thinking about it. Mama moving again. Getting her in trouble. I think she's gonna go lay down.
Yeah.
Cold enough. Alright, we're just out here doing our nightly chores, and all the chickens, well, most of the chickens are still out. And over there in the corner is the baby and the mom. I know, every time I come out here, they're on, or I'm doing the video, he wants to do his cock-a-doodle-doo. All the cows back there, waiting patiently for their stuff. Girls are inside the barn now, feeding the animals in there, so we'll go inside. Alright, in here collecting eggs, and there's one. Miss Katie, you know, the only one that lays in the nesting box. And then I think that's pretty much it for today. The chickens, with it getting colder out, may tend to start slowing down, so we may have to give them a little bit more protein and stuff to help with that. So weather is very it depends on, you know, throughout the year. Sometimes the chickens will only lay, they'll lay less, I should say, when it's extremely hot out or if it's extremely cold out. And it's starting to get colder now than it was, so the egg production was going to start slowing down. So these two bales will go out to the cows, and then the rest of them will store in the, basically the kind of storage area. Remember how old Penguin, which is the one that's right here, is exactly, but as you can see, the collar of her comb is starting to get that brighter red color. So I've read that usually that's a sign that a chicken is almost ready to start laying. So we'll see if that's true. She is a blue cochin, and she supposedly is supposed to be laying brown eggs too. So all of our chickens in here will be brown egg layers.
sticky out there. We've got just enough mist and rain to make it kind of sticky on the top wall. That's all we got out here.
So as you can see, Tony put more hay down in that area where the lean-to was yesterday to help try and drop some of the seeds and cover the bare ground. And we'll see how well that takes off for next year, the grass growth. And the little baby again, right over there.
All right, well, today we were lucky enough we hit the over the 100 subscriber mark. So now we have our own custom URL on YouTube. So we wanted to tell everybody thank you for subscribing to our channel and enjoying watching our videos. If you're not a subscriber yet, please go ahead and hit that subscriber button and then hit the notification bell to be notified of all of our upcoming videos. With that being said, we said that we would do a YouTube live to celebrate the us hitting the 100 subscriber mark. We'll be doing that at Sunday, November 1st at 6 p.m. Eastern time. At one point, we had also talked about possibly a giveaway. At this time, we're not going to be doing a giveaway just for the simple fact that we're not exactly sure on all of the rules and laws and all of that comes along with that giveaway. I know we've seen others on YouTube do it, but we just want to make sure that we're covering all the bases and doing things the right way. So I'm not exactly sure what all the laws are for our state, much less for YouTube, exactly how we would have to go about doing that. So hope everybody enjoys the videos, and we'll see you on the next one.